Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error 54. Steam error code 54 usually means Steam could not launch or update. So firstly what you need to do is when you open the Steam, what you need to do is simply exit the Steam in the top right and restart your computer. You can go to this Windows and click onto this power icon here and select restart. And after that you can open Steam and try launching it again. And you can also run Steam as administrator. What you can do is on the bottom, there's this search here. Type down Steam. Over here, click onto this run as administrator. And also check for updates. Make sure both Steam and your operating system are fully up to date. And if not, you need to reinstall the game. If only one game shows 0.7, uninstall and reinstall that game again. And that is it. That is how you can fix the Steam error 54. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.